Welcome to Homework Lib. Using the relevant transition moment integrals, demonstrate that the probability of a vibration ascribed by a harmonic oscillator in absorbing IR radiation form the V equals 0 to the V equals 2 state is forbidden. Understand the problem. We want to show that the transition from the vibrational ground state, V equals 0, to the second excited state, V equals 2, of a harmonic oscillator by IR radiation is forbidden. The result will come from the transition moment integral. Transition moment integral. The transition moment integral, m, is defined as Ps emp m equals psi v times mps v d tau, where psi v is the complex conjugate wave function of the final state, v, mu is the dipole moment operator, psi v is the wave function of the initial state, v, d tau is the volume element. Selection rules for harmonic oscillator. The transition moment integral cannot be 0 if a transition is to take place. A selection rule for harmonic oscillators is thereby derived. Delta V equals plus or minus 1. Explanation. This means that only transition between two vibrational states that differ by one level is allowed. Applying the selection rule to the V equals 0 TOV equals 2 transition, we have HEREV equals 0 TOV equals 2. The transition is characterized by the value delta V equals 2, which violates the selection rule. Delta V equals plus or minus 1. Thus integral transition moment for this transition will be 0, hence this transition is forbidden. Physical interpretation. This means the molecule does not have that kind of interaction with electromagnetic radiation to make a straight transition between these two. That is, the molecule must absorb two photons together at the same time. That is much less likely to happen. Explanation. So hence we proved the forbidden transition by the selection rules of harmonic oscillator. Transition from V equals 0 to V equals 2 is not possible. Hence this type of transition will never be found in the IR spectrum by a molecule. So hence we proved the forbidden transition by the selection rules of harmonic oscillator. Transition from V equals 0 to V equals 2 is not possible. Hence this type of transition will never be found in the IR spectrum by a molecule.